The Great Search brought to you by DigiKey and Adafruit. Thank you so much, DigiKey. Every single week, Lady Ada is our power of engineering to help you, yes, you, find the things you're looking for. Lady Ada, what are we looking for this week?
Okay, let's go to my computer. This week, we've gotten a bunch of requests about the ICS-43434. I don't know. To concatenate how many 4s and 3s you need. This is a really, I love this I2S MEMS mic. We actually use it on a lot of boards. It's kind of all in one. You give it 3-volt power, and it just like pipes out microphone signal, which is great. This is a bottom port, so you turn it upside down. I think it's, yeah, digital pins. Right, sorry. The microcontroller controls the clock, the bit clock, and the left-right clock, the word select, and out comes data via the D out based on the microphone. You can have 2 of them, and then you have one with cell low, one with cell high, so you can have stereo mic. You don't need a codec, no I2C configuration, no like crazy wiring, no electro mic. It's pick and placeable. It's, it's not washable because there's a port, but it's been a great little chip. Unfortunately, if you go to DigiKey now and you're like, great, I want to buy this, it just went last time buy, like 2 weeks ago. And so a couple people are asking me, hey, really like this I2S mic. You use it. What are you going to use an alternative? And unfortunately, the other alternative I had been using, the SPH and something, is also end of line, which is really a bummer because, again, I know, it's very sad. I really love this mic. So they recommend, DigiKey recommends this MMICT 5837. This is, I'm sure, a very nice microphone, but it's PDM. So watch out for that. A lot of times digital microphones are PDM, not I2S, and they're a little less expensive because of it. You have to spend more to get I2S output. Again, it's kind of an unusual thing, but I really love it. So this is kind of cool though. It has an ultrasonic mode. We will probably have a breakout for this sensor because it is a very cool sensor, but it only has clock and data out. You need to have a PDM receiver that can convert that into I2S. And there's chips that do it, but now you have another chip. So let's go back to here and select, we want I2S digital. And it says 10 options. And then what if we select MEMS, just in case it also says 10? Okay, so that's good. Let's, we don't want to do the part status last time buy. We were going to see what comes up. 10 is not that much. And we see a couple options. So looking at the product status, let's drag this over. I don't really care too much about tariff status. Okay. So looking at the active status, you'll see a lot of these are obsolete. This is the SPH 0645. I was using this. It's a great little sensor. There's still a lot in stock, but it is last time buy obsolete. This is that thing we were just looking for, obsolete, and then these are not active or stocked anymore. So let's go and click on normally stocking. So look at all the ones that are going to be available long term. And this is it. Not a lot of options. So one is the MICT 5848. So this is not the 47. We just looked at that 47. So the 48 is an I2S microphone, but it looks pretty good, 27 to 18 kilohertz, but it's 1.8 volts only. Does that matter? Maybe to you it doesn't. Maybe you're working with something with 1.8 volts. But it means that if you're using this with 3.3 volt logic, like most microcontrollers, your ESP32, your Raspberry Pi, you're going to be out of luck because those tend to run on 3 volt logic. And then once you have logic shifting, okay, now, it's the price and the size is doubled. So the next option, this one is marketplace. So it's like going to be somewhat, you can get it, but it's not in stock right now. The other alternative is this DMM 426. And this one is from PUI. This is also, this is rated voltage 1.8, but you can run it at 3.3. And it does I2S output. And it looks pretty good. It has the same setup as before. You can have 2 microphones if you want. It goes up to about, it's not perfectly linear as normal because it's a small mic. Looks like it's good from about 20 to 18 kilohertz. It probably has a slightly different pinout, but you can check it out. But this is the one thing available. The price is good, less than $2. So I'll probably end up making a breakout board for this as an alternative to that ICS-43434. Now, last time buy usually means you can get it for like another year or so. But if you're designing something now, I would definitely use this chip, this microphone instead. And as your old designs have to get revised, or if you can, try swapping out for this one. It's got a slightly different response curve, but hopefully good enough. You can make some tweaks to your firmware or software and get it running. So this is my pick for the great search.
That was a great search.
Where